Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a piece of wire 80 cm long and we are going to bend it to form a sector of a circle where the arc subtends an angle of 130 degrees as shown here. So that is my 30 degrees. And this is the radius R that we will need to find. So this is my radius R and my radius R. Next though, also, there is also this arc length that we are required to consider as well, because the perimeter, this whole perimeter is 80 cm. Okay, that means R and this red color together is equal to 80 cm. That's why you will see this set of working. We have my R and my R, and I also need to find this arc length so that together they equals to 80. Okay, so the green plus the green plus the red together makes 80. Okay, because this whole thing is, if I were to draw, this is the wire that we have bent to form my 80. Okay, so now the next question, as you see Mr. Tan's step, would be to see how I get this arc length. But before I show you the full set of working, perhaps it is good for me to just share with you that for this arc length is actually 130 degrees divided by 360 degree, and I multiplied by the circumference 2 pi r. So this is my arc length. Therefore, in my working, subsequently you will see this. R plus R will be equals to 2R. I have my 130 degrees over 360 times 2 pi r. And the whole thing is equals to 80. And then 130 degree over 360 times 2 will give me 13 over 18 pi r. And I'm going to take up r as the common factor and left with 2 plus 13 over 18 pi. And after which I'm going to divide by this bracket on both sides of this equation in order to get the final answer of 18.7 cm when rounded off to 3 significant figures. Okay, with that we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.